The postal system. Most settlements have post offices. You post a letter at the post office. It will be sent to the person to whom you have written. A letter can be sent to someone far away. At a post office, you can collect letters sent to you. Some post offices also delivers letters to people's homes. Sending and getting letters are a form of written communication between two people. It has not always been as easy as it is today. Radio. Radio is an example of electronic communication. In 1895, the Italian inventor Guglielmo Marconi proved that radio communication could work. He sent the first long-distance message using radio waves instead of using wires. Radio signals travel through the air to an area receiver. The receiver changes the waves back into the sounds you hear on the radio. At first, radio signals were used for keeping in communications with ships at sea. In about 1920, radio stations and radio programs started. Early typewriters. Manual, which means by hand, are typewriters which were invented during the 1870s. The first typewriter had a keyboard of the alphabet like computer keyboards today. When you hit one of the keys of a typewriter, a lever for the letter that you struck jumped up. A little bit of ink was on the letter on the lever and pressed it onto the paper, and in this way you could type instead of writing. In 1902, the first typewriter powered by electricity was made. Since about 1990, computers are often used to do the work of typewriters. The telegraph. Telegraph means far writer. The telegraph was a way of sending messages over a long distance. It worked like a typewriter. You typed a message, it was sent along a wire to a telegraph receiver. The telegraph is no longer used, but it was an important step in the development of communication system. For the first time, messages could be sent by wire from one post office to the other very quickly. The Morse telephone